So I'm walking to work right now. You can see the snow. I thought that I would show it to you before it got too crazy. It is about 7:30 in the morning, and we already have about 2 inches of snow in some places. I'm just walking to the bus stop, where I will pick up my gypsy cab to take me to the subway so I can go to work. I don't know if you can see this. Stop for a minute. It's going to be pretty tonight, but it's going to be really cold. I'm sure my phone doesn't like me doing this. Anyway, we are going to my bus stop. It is up there. Okay, well, that's a little tiny snippet for today. I will show you more snow later.